No, I'm not even invited, but on the
kama plastiki kufintu ubusaka
Just a minute first. You all say something and then
you are first, then the lady. Okay. Yeah, good afternoon, friends. Well, this is not a subject where I can talk for very long, but what I would just make 2 points. One is, as Dangote Cement, we are conscious of the challenge we are facing, that we need to have an ablution block for you, so that it's a basic human facility required. Otherwise, you are looking to go in ablution block in the factory or in the bush. It also exposes us to poor health and sanitation. So that is the so as Dangote we are providing this facility. That's the first part. The more important part is how we maintain the toilet. If we go to a public toilet in the city or anywhere else, we find that there's a stink, it's not clean, removed. Well, we can remove them and still it's fine. We will benefit from the theft by selling it somewhere for 100 kwacha or 200 kwacha or 50 kwacha. But if we have a stake in this, now you don't steal tap from your own house, do you? No. Do you? No, because it's your own house. You keep it clean because you are the only one staying there, you and your wife and children or family. Right? If you don't keep it clean, you keep it dirty, it will smell bad to you. So we were with Dangote through DBK and key management solution, or with Kazumba, internal discussion whether some money should be charged or not. My own personal position, which I gave to the transport general manager, we are conscious about it. It was not that Dangote wants to make money from you going to an ablution block. As I said, it is a basic right. It gives you comfort, it gives you an opportunity to take a shower. You are away from your homes. Keep good sanitary habits and keep healthy. Thank you.
I'm William Piri, Commander of Motor Transport. Yeah. So I really appreciate this building here. For healthy facilities, our health is something which comes first. We get a lot of diseases due to one or two things due to our carelessness. And as for that, to say the management. And secondly, there's one question.
Yes, sir.
You talked of us when we come here, we come for enjoy lessons. There are some of us who move with our track helpers.
With your?
Track helpers, the rolling boys.
Yeah.
Rolling boys.
Okay.
So
you can discuss. No, you can work out with the.
okay,
you want to take pride in this, so it is something. The detail how to do it. Okay. As I said, I think you will work on it.
My fellow drivers, I'm sure we are really grateful, isn't it, for this being made for us. The ablution block where we take our showers, then even use the toilets there. And then there's just one thing which I'd really ask from all of us here. Please let us use tissues. You know, a tissue is something which once you flush it goes. Don't use something hard whereby it will block the system, the process system, and other things. The responsibility should be in each and every one of us here. Let's just look at this thing as if it's a personal one. I don't love to come here tomorrow, find that the tap there's broken water, it's just spilling all over the floor, it's still been coming out here. For those who don't understand English, like remember guys, it's Chendero Mbagonichi, Busaka, Matoileta, Tuchunge what chess. The Quinsan Amabula Mumpanga will have a possible. Fibo Koshi, I won't fish. Sikafuasa, then if you go, Yakulambo Fumina pants. So as a result, if ever Tukarwana Marwere, Korea, Maisa, Namarwere, and Beba decent 3 and 50 something. Man, why teaching at Wafia Vasai? It's chap. Kamokolano, we know to cover material, but we don't feel when the Fema or no material. Now, if you know, it's around like Tapia, Yakuba Matap. It's a common thing, first come to the tank. Whatever was and don't to my shower today, Barakapura. Why, I am Shapari 20 quarter, 15 quarter. Morning drama, then money fair allowed now. But you're in the drama 15 quarters. So, on there on Bakofiat, the responsibility, which into what Kuri Rakochaku. Basirako Amanosan. Much we under no.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Apa problem kena cepat? Biar cepat dapat tuara kota kalau mau kumpulin.
Yeah,